Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. I don't want to overcomplicate the things. In the immediate short term, we said Bitcoin must hold above 86,000 if you want to see this continuation playing out. Higher highs, higher lows, continuation pattern type of formation playing out. But we also found that we need a final confirmation from this indicator to the downside before expecting another bullish continuation. What was that? I mean, I showed you in history, whenever the price of Bitcoin found support above this 50 exponential moving average, it resulted in a very bullish move. Each and every support above this 50 exponential moving average resulted in a very bullish move. But for the better confirmation, I also showed you that the indicator to the downside must confirm it. I mean, MACD has already confirmed it. This is a bullish MACD cross. RSI must remain above 50. If you look at it now, you can see RSI has just dropped below 50. It's very important that we remain above 50 if you want to see this bullish continuation playing out. And the final confirmation from this T3CCI indicator, I mean, when we see this T3CCI indicator appearing in a positive territory, just like this one here, and RSI jumping above 50, that is when we know the upcoming scenario for Bitcoin is going to be very bullish. So right now we need RSI to jump over 50, T3CCI indicator to operate in a positive territory. As soon as that happens, the price for the coming days is expected to be very bullish. But in the medium short term, yes, this here could be resulting in some more sideways movement, even a pullback before following this trend. I mean, higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation, because in the medium short term, the reason why we are facing difficulty to break out of this 89,000 resistance line is because we have a strong resistance from this descending broadening wedge, a bullish continuation pattern. And just like from this example, you can see the price in the medium short term could be showing a move which might look somehow like this before breaking out. I mean, more sideways movement, even a pullback like this, and then breaking out. I mean, following this bullish continuation pattern known as descending broadening wedge, because we know beside the resistance from this descending broadening wedge upper trend line, we have resistance from this Bollinger Band upper trend line as well. I mean, upper trend line from this Bollinger Band gets tested when the price is preparing itself for a bullish move. So in our case, since this is also a retest around the upper band, which could be helping the price of Bitcoin to prepare for a new uptrend. So in the medium short term, please, even if the price starts showing weakness, you know the central line or the basis line from this Bollinger Band will be acting as support, helping the price to prepare for our continuation here to the upside. Because we know, guys, if you look at this CPR trend line, you know this CPR is a leading indicator which gives us information beforehand. So according to this leading indicator, Bitcoin got rejected. You can see exactly while trying to break out of this central line. This central line acted as resistance. Now we are fighting to hold the bottom CPR line. So if the price in the medium short term manages to remain above 86,000, then after some fake out, I'm actually expecting a continuation like this to play out. But if we fail to find support above 86,000, things could get very ugly after that. I mean, Bitcoin failing to find support above 86,000 means we might be ending this relief rally and price could be heading towards the first bearish target for the month of March, which is this S1 line, which is around 74,000. Yes, guys, to avoid this bearish continuation pattern, Bitcoin must remain above 86,000. And now, even with the help of this descending triangle, this is a bearish continuation pattern, along with the resistance from this CPR trend line, along with the resistance from this Bollinger Band, even the resistance from the descending broadening wedge. You can see now Bitcoin also looks like following this descending triangle, a bearish continuation pattern. So if this starts playing out, I mean, if the price starts following this descending triangle, you can see for the upcoming days, Bitcoin could be heading towards this 85, even a quick dive around 84,000 one more time before choosing an actual direction. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. Bitcoin could be heading towards to test the support, which we have around 85, even a quick dive around 84,000 before choosing a trend direction, because price breaking out from this lower trend line means for now we must look for a retest or price heading towards to test the previous resistance area. I mean, the line which previously rejected us looks like being retested, or Bitcoin looks like heading towards to test the resistance previous temporary range line. So for us, if this bearish continuation starts playing out, Bitcoin heading towards 86,000, then you can see, according to this descending channel, price could be also coming back for a retest around this trend line, quick dive around 84,000 before choosing a direction. But we know failing to regain its trend above 86,000 means this bullish continuation pattern will get invalidated, which we don't want to happen now. But we know 86,000 has been looked as one very important support for Bitcoin, and even according to this Williams Alligator indicator, it might be forming a crossover very soon. But for now, we might see more of a coiling up from this Williams Alligator indicator, and coiling up from Williams Alligator indicator indicates incoming volatility. So if we want this volatility to favor us, I mean, to show a continuation, prepare us for a continuation which might look somehow like this, then in the medium short term, you can see we have to remain above 86,000. Failing to do that means this entire move was just a fake out, and Bitcoin could be heading towards the first bearish target for the month of March, which sits around 74,000. So looking into different scenarios, looking into different time frame, Bitcoin has support around 86,000, but failing to hold that line means we must prepare ourselves for a continuation which might look somehow like this, ending this bullish scenario for now. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.